Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Poco C3 and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll down and click on Apps. Then choose Permissions and Permissions again. Pick one of the options, for example Location. Now select an app, click on it and pick one of the options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back, I can see that phone gained access to my device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!